ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡು ದ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ Bhuvaneshwari from 5th standard Siri Kannada textbook. And before starting with the exercises, Makla, please do make sure that you watch the video first for Bhuvaneshwari, which is already completed. I'll leave the link here. Check Madi, then come to the exercise part. Okay, na? And also please remember that here I'll be explaining the meaning for the questions. I won't give the exact answers, but I will give you the hint for the answers. Okay, so let's start. Sit in a quiet place. Bhuvaneshwari. First we have Padagala Artha. Padagala Artha, while explaining the poem, I already ella Padagala Artha have given to you. But still, if you find any doubt or any questions with the Padagala Artha, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll let you know the meaning for those. Next we have a Kelagina Prashnegalige Uttarisi. Answer for the below questions. Pallavarannu geddu meredavaru yaru? Who is the one who won Pallavaru? Geddu andre the one, meredavaru was in a pride. So who was that? Pallavarannu geddu meredavaru yaru? So find the second stanza. Geddu pallavara kadamba mayura meredanu. So who is that? Kadambara Mayura. So Kadamba is a dynasty, Mayura is a person. So in the place of yaru, Pallavarannu geddu Kadamba Mayuranu meredanu. So where did he meredanu? Banavasiyalli meredanu. Okay, so you can explain completely. Next, Badamiyalli Alvike nadesidavaryaru? Who is the one who ruled in a Badami? So where do you have the word Badami? Find out the word Badami here. So Badamiyalli Chalukyaru. So it is in the second stanza, second line. ಚಾಲುಕ್ಯರ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೀರತಾಣ ಬಾದಾಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಲುಕ್ಯರು ವೀರ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದರು. ದೇ ರೂಲ್ಡ್ ಬ್ರೇವ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಬಾದಾಮಿ, ಚಾಲುಕ್ಯ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು, ಯಾರ ಪತನದ ನಂತರ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಹೂಸ್ ಡಿಫೀಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಬೆಳೆಯಿತು? ವಿಜಯನಗರ ವಾಸ್ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ whose defeat. Okay, the kingdom was deteriorated completely. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಿಜಯನಗರ grew up. So ಯಾರ ಪತನದ ನಂತರ? So find out the word ವಿಜಯನಗರ. ಹೊಯ್ಸಳರ ಪತನದ ನಂತರ. It is in the third stanza. Okay, ಹೊಯ್ಸಳರ ಪತನದ ನಂತರ ವಿಜಯನಗರ it ಬೆಳೆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಯುದ್ಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗ್ಲರನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸಿ ಗೆದ್ದವರು ಯಾರು? Who is the one who fought against the Britishers in the war and they won? So who is that actually? So ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ? It is in the 5th stanza. ಯುದ್ಧದಿ ಆಂಗ್ಲರನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸಿ ಗೆದ್ದಳು ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿತ್ತೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ. So in the place of ಯಾರು, you will write ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು, ಭಾರತದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಚಳುವಳಿ ಯಾರ ತತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಯಿತು? ಭಾರತದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಚಳುವಳಿ, ದ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್, ದ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್, ಯಾರ ತತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ, in whose philosophy it grew up? So it is in the 7th stanza. ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಭಾರತ ಚಳುವಳಿ ದೇಶದ ಬೆಳೆಯಿತು ಗಾಂಧಿ ತತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ. In the Gandhi philosophy this happened. So in the place of yara you will write ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಯವರ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವಿಶಾಲ ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ಉದಯವಾದದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗ? ದ ಮೈಸೂರು ಉದಯ ಅಂದರೆ it came into existence. ವಿಶಾಲ ಮೈಸೂರು, when did that happen? ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದೆ ವಿಶಾಲ ಮೈಸೂರು? 1956ರಲ್ಲಿ ನವೆಂಬರ್ 1ರಂದು ಉದಯವಾಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ 8th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸಾದಲ್ಲಿ 47ರ ಆಗಸ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ 14ರ ನಡುರಾತ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, 9th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸಾ 56ರ ನವೆಂಬರ್ 1 ವಿಶಾಲ ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ಉದಯ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 56 ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 1956 ನವೆಂಬರ್ 1. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನವೆಂಬರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು, ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ರೀಜನ್, ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ, ಯಾವುದು ಗೆಲ್ಲಬೇಕು? ವಿಚ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ವಿನ್? ಯಾವುದು ಬಾಳಬೇಕು? ವಿಚ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಲೀವ್? ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು ಗೆಲ್ಲಬೇಕು? ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೆಲ್ಲಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸಾ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೆಲ್ಲಬೇಕು, ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಾಳಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಪದ್ಯ ಭಾಗ ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪೊಯಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಠಪಾಠ ರಿಸೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್, ವಿ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ದ exercise for the Bhuvaneshwari. I hope you have understood. Doubt idre please do let me know in the comment section. Share this video with your friends who are struggling to understand the exercises of Bhuvaneshwari. Do not forget to check out the playlist for the 5th standard Siri Kannada. All the poem, lesson and exercises is completed. Thank you so much. Namaskara. Dhanyavada. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.